How to disable contacts on Snapchat. So go to your settings application, scroll down until you find the apps option. Now use the search icon to search for Snapchat. Then select the second option, which is permissions. Then tap the contacts permission and select don't allow. So by disabling this permission, Snapchat won't be able to access the contacts found in your phone. Now head to your Snapchat application. Tap your profile icon, which is located on the upper left corner. Now tap the gear icon seen on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you're under the Account Actions section. Now select the Contact Syncing option, and you will see this highlighted text saying Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat. Tap this text, and this prompt will appear on your screen saying that your previously synced contacts on your phone will be deleted. So just tap Confirm, and so that is how you disable contacts on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.